Guys, welcome back once again. Let me quickly show you how to perform task on Tapswap to get more coin. So you can see the first thing we need to know is that this thing is one of the best way to get coin. You understand? You can see the way I'm tapping now. So I'm going to tap everything. So once I tap it finish, it's going to add more. This tank is going to add more tank. It's going to refill the tank according to the time I'm using it. I will show you what it entails now. So this is number one way to earn. This is number one way to earn more coin. It's a daily tap. Once I finish tapping it now, it's going to add it again. It's going to full probably before I'm done with this training now. So that's the number one way. The second way, which is the task that I wanted to show in the previous video. So any task now, you see this special now, it means I have a special task to perform. So I'm going to click on this. I was told to join their social media and do so. The first thing I'm going to join is their Telegram chat. I don't know why it's not going. I don't know why it's not going. So I have to join their Telegram chat. I think the network. So the second thing is to check join their handle, which is their Twitter. So now I'm going to join their Twitter handle. This is it now. All I need to do is just to follow. So I'll go back. So I'll click on check. Can you see it has been done? Then visit website. So visit website. I'll just visit their website, scroll up and scroll down. So then I'll go back, check again. So it's going to check. It's going. I don't know why their Telegram is not going. I don't know. Okay, excuse me. I've seen the reason. So let me. I don't know why it's not going. No. So I will just search from Telegram direct. So I'll search from Telegram direct. How do I do that? Let me go back. Excuse me. Let me go back. So I'll just go back now. Can you see this is the Telegram handle? It has already shown on the background. So I'll click on join. That's the reason why it's not even showing again. So I'll go back. Then start now. Anytime you want to do anything, just click on start now. So let me go back to task. Join their social media. I have to check this now. Check the second one now. Can you see this one has already been done? The second one now, by now it will have been done. So that is the first way to generate more of this thing. You understand? So now I want to get the 200,000 reward first before I move on. The other 100,000 was told to connect Solana wallet. So most people don't know that. What we need to do now is to download Solana wallet. So I'm going to click on this Phantom. We are to download Phantom wallet. Excuse me, I said Solana. So you can see now. I'll click on download for Android. So I'll automatically be redirected to Play Store if I'm using Android, and if it is iOS, you'll be redirected to Play Store. I'll be Apple Store. So this is the Google Play Store now. I'm going to install the Phantom. So let me go back to this. Excuse me. Anytime I want to do something, go to Telegram. So once I finish downloading it, I'm going to connect it with that. So now this one, you can see the second one has already been done. The third one has also been done. Finish mission. So can you see 200,000 coin? I'll claim it now. So once I finish claiming it, you see it will be added. So it shows as this. Can you see now? Unlike before again, can you see that I've gotten 200,000 plus now? Just immediately I downloaded everything. So now the second one, this league, anytime I accomplish one, you see this is bronze. I'm on bronze. Anytime I accomplish any step, I'll claim it, which means they will give me 1,000. This is 1,000. If I get to silver, I'll also be paid 5,000, 10,000, like that. So if I have any other other task, it will also be shown here. Can you see it? So that's the 1,000 I just added now has been done. So if I refer one person, I'll be giving 3 people 50,000, 10 people 200,000, 25 people 250. Can you see that? So now this special task still remain one. So that is that. let me check if the Solana, the Phantom Mass are finished downloading. Still downloading. So now next to it is what is how to boost our post. So now this is tap bot. This tap bot means whenever we are offline, it will be tapping for us. So you can see I have to buy it with coin, which I'm going to buy now. I'm going to buy it with 200,000. Don't forget about the coin you are spending. You will get it back. Can you see? I've purchased it now. The 200,000 has gone, and this is my recharge speed, which means I want it to what do you mean by recharge? Recharge means the time this tank will full. Now let's say now this tap, now if I finish tapping it from this 500 to the list, so it means when it's going to finish, it's going to full. The period that the thing is going to full back is called the recharge speed. So that is that. So if I want to increase the recharge speed, I will just buy it. So I want it to be increasing very increase the speed. So if I buy it now, I buy it at the rate of 2,000. Can you see? So I'm not wasting coin. I'll use it to generate more coin. So now this is energy speed. This energy speed means, okay, now I have my this thing is 500. My tank is 500. So if I go to energy limits, so if I should buy it now 200, just 200, if I should buy it, you see that the tank will automatically increase to 1,000. Can you see it? It has increased to 1,000. That is energy limit. So you can still buy more to increase your tank. You can at least get your tank to 5,000. So that is that. Then multiple tap, you can see my tapping is 1. So if I get this one now, it's going to increase to 2. So let's go back now. Can you see it? That's increased to 2. So that is how to perform more tasks to get more. So if you can still buy more. If you want to increase to 3, you can still buy it. You can, so you still get your money back. You get your money back. So that is the aspect here. So this task still remain 1. So now I think this video is getting long. So now if I finish tapping now, let me finish tapping. I wanted to show you something, but in the next video I will show you how you can generate at least 1.2 million coin. I will show you now. So let me end it here. See you in the next video.